This presentation is about something we call the Integrated Job Performance Model. Now, the first question I'm sure you'll have is, why do we need one? Why did we develop it? What's it about? Well, the quote you're seeing on the screen you've probably seen in a variety of forms, like 80% of what we learn on the job. But there have been a variety of studies over the last 13 plus years that all point to the same conclusion, that business value is not really about training. The dollars we spend on formal training don't find their way back to job performance. So if you think about business value, it's really not about training. Frankly, it's not even about learning. Business value is about performance. And when you get into difficult economic times, people in the training community find that their budgets are often cut. But if you think about that, the people in the business who control those budgets and are doing the cuts probably have found through years that the dollars they spend on formal training don't result in better business performance, which drives them to cut those expenditures. They, from a practical experience, understand what these studies have proven out. So we developed the Integrated Job Performance Model so that when we're talking about individual performance, we ensure that we take into consideration the different elements that influence performance, elements beyond training, so that whatever solution we put forward, we have a high level of confidence that it's going to improve performance. The other thing this does for us, as you'll see, is give us a common vocabulary about a basic fundamental model, so that when we use different terms, we all understand what we're talking about and can communicate more effectively. One other point to understand here is that the Integrated Job Performance Model is a focused model on the individual worker and what they need to do to get their job done, to execute tasks. This is not an organizational model that has to do with organizational design or organizational